Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours outside the Torino Irish Bar and the Julian Hotel. Wait, my gimbal's all over the place. So yeah, we're outside the Julian Hotel, Torino Irish Bar. I'll take a little walk so we can see down the road. So you've got Migros across the road. What I'm going to do on this one, and I concentrate on everything on my left, and I'll come back on the right hand side so we can see what's on that side. So you got Popeyes here. I don't eat chicken. I don't eat meat. If you know me, you know I don't eat meat. I eat fish. But I gave up meat a long time ago. I never even got to try Popeyes. So let me know in the comments if Popeyes is better than KFC. Obviously I've tried KFC in my life. Which one do you prefer, KFC or Popeyes? So you've got Motto here. What's this place? PP? I don't know how they say their words. We've got the Motto, which ain't much anything anymore, is it? Or maybe it's one about, I don't know. It's like a shithole no matter what, anyway. Always karaoke bar. We've got the guy here. You got $3.90 for a beer. Got the football on tonight. I think it's England tonight. Karaoke. So we're going to get ourselves down to the football bars later to watch football. Everybody's sweaty today. It's so hot today. Not that I'm complaining. I never complain about the heat. So I love it. So we've got a supermarket. Oh, Manchester City bar. So have a quick look to see what they got in the Man City bar, food-wise. So you've got a Manchester round on the actual football bars. You've got the Man City here. Cheese toasty $2.90. That's nearly £6 for a cheese toasty. I mean, has the price of cheese gone up or has the price of bread gone up? I don't know, but let me know in the comments if you think nearly £6 for a cheese toasty is good value, because I'm making me laugh already because I know it's not. So you've got Mr. Ink tattoos there. The size of that one, it's really good, really big. But yeah, in Zante, just as you're leaving, there's a street food place there, and they do a cheese toasty for €1.20. €1.20. So yeah, I don't think that's a good deal in my opinion. City outlet, £10 an item, £5 on these ones, £5 on these ones as well, and it's good quality as well. Good quality. So yeah, £5, and you get the good quality garments. Got leather and fur shop here. Quite big ones as well. Never seen a leather baseball hat before. Well, I have, but never seen so many of them for sale. What's this? Carlos's. Oh, ladies nearly had a cash there. £10 for a polo jumper as well. Oh, okay, it's a Jet2 hotel right there. You can just park on the road and then walk into your hotel. I've never seen people just park like that before. Look at that, like, right on the road, just parked. It's got a little pool bar here. Very cool. Old supermarket. Got a steakhouse here. Yeah, England vs Andorra, 7 p.m. Cool little place there. Big waffles and everything. It says Dior, no, it says door. That's a rip-off of Dior. Steak, pizza, everything. Let's get around these people, yeah. Looks very nice. Hello. Very nice little bar, yeah. Thank you. So yeah, let's keep going.
We'd have to say that this is an experience.
So you got Italian restaurant right here. Aircon, it says special offers. Parking here for the people that can afford to park out here, I guess, with your that Blue Bay Premium, Blue Bay Platinum. Oh, that's quite cool. So guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the page, because 90% of you guys who watch our videos are not subscribed, but you watch our videos, which is fantastic. So obviously keep watching. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe, but it would really help us. And yeah, ring the bell for notifications, like the video or dislike it. If you don't like it, dislike it as well, because no matter what, an interaction will push the video more for us. And yeah, let's get back to it. So like I said, I'll concentrate on the right side on the way back. I found it's quite busy at the moment, but a lot of people who own the bars have said it's been the worst summer so far. Obviously August's busy, right now it's busy, but before it's been very, very quiet for them. Check this massive resort out here. I don't think I would want to stay in a place like that, personally. Fucking cars do not stop for you, pieces of shit. Yeah, Green Nature Diamond. Yeah, it just seems like the cars over here just don't give a shit what you're doing. Run you down. Let me know if you stayed at this resort. I mean, when I'm getting paid properly to do this, or I'm getting sponsored, come and do this, I'll happily stay at one of these. But until then, I am staying cheap and cheerful, whilst it costs me money. So as you understand, we don't really make much money. We do this out of the love of what we do. That's how you know we're genuine. Hopefully we get a sponsor. Towards the end of this year, maybe into next year. You get your watches in there, sunglasses, get your tobacco. I've noticed I did try to get my screen fixed on my phone whilst I was out here the last time, and it worked out to be about £85. £85, I'm sure, if I would have bartered a little bit, I might be able to get it down to 65. But yeah, I never bothered because I think my phone's a bit old, I just need to get a new one. So I'm just gonna buy a new one. I've even got, I'll show you guys, it's quite funny. If you can see, my phone is cracked in the side there. And look at this, I've got a crack in my actual camera. But that camera at the top, that's for your, what's it called, panoramic pictures. So I don't use that one, that lens. So that actually works out okay. Let's show you guys over this wall, because I can't see, but you can see. What's it like, guys? What is it like in there? Again, like I said, let me know if you stay at any of these resorts. And is they worth your money? Are they worth it? Right, Marmaris tattoo seems like a good place to end the vlog. So guys, thank you for listening to me talk a load of waffle and walking down the road. Till the next one.